1-866-763-4466.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for southern Fayette County in north-central Georgia, east-central Coweta County and west-central Georgia, until 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 12:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Sharpsburg, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Peachtree City, Senoia, Brooks, Fayetteville, and Woolsey. When a tornado warning is issued, based on Doppler radar, it means that strong rotation has been detected in the storm. A tornado may already be on the ground, or is expected to develop shortly. If you are in the path of this dangerous storm, move indoors into a basement or interior room on the ground floor. Stay away from windows. If driving, do not seek shelter under a highway overpass. If you are in a mobile home or vehicle, evacuate them and get inside a sturdy shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466. You can also tweet your report using hashtag GAWX. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday afternoon for northern Georgia. The National Weather